So we're going to work on multiplying fractions and a little bit of dividing. So we're going to work on the first problem, which is number 1 of your paper. Is going to say 2 over 3 times 1 over 5. So when you're multiplying fractions, all you have to do is multiply across. You do not need common denominators when you're multiplying or dividing fractions. So 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 5 is 15. And that's our answer. Make sure you check the bottom of your sheet to see if your answer's in that little box. If not, make sure you simplify or try it again. The next problem we're going to do is going to be number 2, which is 3/4 times 7 over 12. Okay. And for this one, again, we're multiplying. We do not need common denominators. We're going to multiply across. 3 times 7 is 21. 4 times 12 is 48. The difference in this problem is that it can be simplified. So we're going to take this fraction and we're going to divide it by 3. So 21 divided by 3 is 7. 48 divided by 3 is 16. And the last one we're going to do is number 4. We're going to jump around a little bit. And number 4 is talking about dividing, just to make sure you guys remember it. And we're dividing 7 over 10, dividing by 1/2. Okay. So last year you should have learned about the term reciprocal. And when we're dividing fractions, the way you divide fractions, you multiply by the reciprocal. What that means is we're going to make this different. We're going to make it 7/10. And we're going to multiply by the reciprocal of the last fraction. The reciprocal of 1/2 is pretty much, it's just flipped. So it's 2 over 1, correct? Okay. Seven times 2 is 14. 10 times 1 is 10. Now we can simplify this again. That means that we can divide it and by a number. That number is 2. I'll see that. So I divide it by 2, and I'll get what's 14 divided by 2, y'all? 7 over what? Divided both by 2. Now the only issue with this right now is that we're almost done. It's a long problem. It's improper. That means that the top is bigger than the bottom. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. So we can make this into a mixed number. So we can divide. How many times 5 go into 7? 1 time. What's the remainder? 2, and we keep the denominator the same. So 1 2/5.